Newhouse is 18. Mile run is done. Ivan Healy,
2:35.
Emily Donaldson. Let's hear for Jake Bauer. Carlos Laura. Laura Swift. Billy Hanahan. Thomas Casey. David Quick. That's the type of name you need if you're a runner.
Yep.
Megan Schmidt. Marcus Smith. Matthew Fine. Let's hear it for Kyle Lundy. Make some noise for Guan Yip and Joshua Galloway. Evan Oakley. Rebecca McCollum. Charles Corona. Reza Kishfaris. Jessica Hall. Let's hear it for Daniel Willie. Kathleen Holden. Ron Hershow. Gary Marshall. James Connolly. Michael Sorrentino. There's Mark Bobrowski. Michael Weichert and Gary Chase. Mary Jane Peck is in the house, as is Christopher Thompson from Port Washington, New York. Laura Barone, Melanie Hyman, Margarita Ramos, Kim Pang, Dominic Boyce, Elliot Walker. Let's hear it for Yuban Kim. Evan Friss and Scott Cohen. And Blard. Let's hear it for Grant Lindsay. Chugging along, looking strong, Christopher Williams. Aaron Howard. Sarah Lubis out of Brooklyn. Frederick Mutter. Joseph Panzer. Ben Miller. Susan Creighton. Robert Wolf. Chad Boland, welcome to the finish. Let's hear it for David Cohn. Amy Stein. David Rabinowitz. Yugahashi Takamori, Adam Stanwyck, Laura Kale, Wilfred Gutierrez, Stanislav Jaromenko, Amanda Kars, Jared Hatena, Marek Pekarski chugging along. Eric Van Felix, Susan Mazzeo, Jeffrey Camberg, Lauren Caval, Young Cho, Marina Bunkowski, Alan Schwartz, Tracy Wright, Osamu Tigomora, Beth Rogers, Joseph Keenan, Mitchell Peschner, David Lundell, Jeffrey Lehman, Lauren Lundy,
2:38.
Brian Wormser, Lee Traxler, Michelle Aiello. We had a George Manis spotting. There he is. Anthony Angino. Welcome to the finish line. Matthew Duffy. Matthew Bornstein. Yasmina Belatium. Suzanne Hughes. Eva Rothberg. Andrea Flood. There's John Bruno. Eileen Moynihan has joined us. Mickey Millick out of Jersey City. Welcome to the finish line. Also, Justin Dew. Eric Conrad, Jesse Neer, Donald Gross, and Laurie Burke.
Good job, runners.
John Chan, let's say hello to Rory Lynch. Kiana Bartholomew. Sarah Laddish, Diego Castillo, Aaron Tierney from the city, Dennis Malloy, Paul Johnson, Meredith Miller from Brooklyn, Jose Gomez, James Ho from Boston, Lee Sannon, Andrew Siciliano, Fernando Perez, Kelly Law, Daisy Lee, Mackenzie Park, Ellie Green, Ollie Cutter, Colleen McMahon, Carl LaRocca, Robert Wright, there's Jason Hernandez, Rafael Gomez Tagley, Elizabeth Kidd, Michael Chapman, Evan Davis,
Coming up on 240.
Michael Briskin.